Lord Shiva in your stomach, we want that Lord Shiva. So Gajasura says, okay, my head has to be worshipped. He tells Shiva that, okay, I'll let you out and in that process I'll die. Right? But my head has to be worshipped in all lokas, all worlds. So what does Lord Shiva do? He grants that, and immediately Nandi goes and breaks the stomach of the demon king Gajasura, and Shiva comes out. And once Shiva comes out, they carry the head of Gajasura and go. And now, before coming, a message goes to Mahaparvati. So, okay, husband is coming, she has to welcome, so she is going to take bath, and before taking bath, besan laga ke nahate, right? So along with besan, haldi is mixed, correct? So she was doing that, and while doing that, with that besan, she made a replica of a boy. And she liked the boy, replica of a boy so much that she gave life to that replica of a boy, and it became a live boy. Not life boy. Live boy. Okay, now she tells the boy that, see, I'm going to take a bath, I'm going to get ready, so don't let anybody inside. So now he is standing guard. And at that same time, Shiva along with Brahmadganas and all of these things, they come to the door. And Ganesha doesn't let them in. Shiva gets angry. Who is this fellow who is not letting me go into my own house? So what does Shiva do? He takes his Trishul and beheads the boy. Now after this, Parvati comes. She comes and she's angry. She's sad, right? So she asks Mahashiv, see, you are the one who did that? Yes, you should give life back to this boy. So Lord Shiva thinks, and what does he do? He was carrying Gajasura's head. He places that on the boy's head, and it is attached, and now again a new life is given to the boy. So that is how this form of Ganesha came into being. And after a few years, all the rishis, munis, devatas, they went to Lord Shiva and asked, for all the vignas, vigna is an obstacle, trouble. Okay, for all of these things, to prevent all these things, we want somebody, Vignadipati. Now make someone Vignadipati. So Ganesha goes and asks Shiva, see, I am the elder son, right? I have a lot of knowledge, so you make me Vignadipati, Ganadipati. And Kumar also says, see, Ganesha is, short, he is fat, I am fit and, energetic, you should make me Ganadipati. Now Shiva, what does he say? He gives a competition, that both of you should go in all the worlds, and there are 3 crore 50 lakh rivers in all the worlds. Okay, you go take a dip in that and come. Whoever comes first, I will make them the Ganadipati. Immediately, what does Kumar Swami do? He has a peacock as his vehicle, his Vahana. So he sits on the peacock and flies away. Now Ganesha is thinking, okay, he has a peacock, he can fly away. What about my rat? Now Ganesha sits and thinks, okay. And then he asks Narad Muni what to do. Narad Muni says, you have so much knowledge, use it. And then he thinks, okay, fine. There are all worlds are there inside my parents, right? Shiva and Parvati. And I know Narayan mantra. Narayana is about Nara, that is about water, right? So while chanting Narayan mantra, he takes 3 rounds around Shiva and Parvati. And now because of this, wherever Kumar Swami went to take a dip, Ganesha was already appearing him before that. Now Kumar Swami realizes what happened. When he comes back, he realizes that, and he tells sorry to Ganesha. Sorry bhaiya, mujhe maaf kar do. Aap bade hai, aap sahi hai. And then Ganesha is made the Ganadipati. Now one day what happened after this is done? People had done puja for Ganpati after making him Ganadipati, and they offered a lot of modaks and all different types of food to Ganesha. Now Ganesha was full after eating that, and after going back to his parents, he was trying to touch the feet of his parents, but his stomach was full. When stomach is full, hands don't reach, no, right? And seeing this plight, the Chandra, the moon that is on this head of Lord Shiva, he laughs, right? Nazar lag gaya, right? And when nazar lagta hai, पेट फट जाता है. Okay, so same thing happened to Ganesha. This makes Parvati Ma very angry. So she gives a sharp to Moon. Whoever sees you will face false blames. And now after seeing that everybody in the world is getting false blames on them, right? So all the rishis, munis and devtas go and ask Parvati Ma, kuch to karo. Because people cannot stay without seeing the moon. In the night, moon is the one that gives the light, right? Mothers feed their kids by showing the moon. Oh, dekho chanda mama. Right? So Parvati Ma says, only on Bhadrapada Shuddha Chavati, whoever sees Ganesha will get false blames. And Sutmuni tells that it is Krishna also had done this. Krishna also had to face this. And after doing this puja, he freed himself from those false blames. Now Dharmaraj asks, "Theek hai, wo kahani bhi batao." So what happened is that on Ganesh Chaturthi day, after doing Ganesh puja, Krishna went to drink milk. Krishna likes milk. And while he was drinking his milk, he saw the reflection of the moon in the milk. After seeing that, now he was afraid, what false blames are going to come on me?